What's up, everybody? This is Felix here. We're back on the YouTube channel. This is the first video that I'm going to be posting up here in Texas ever since I made my move here a little over a month ago. I'm in the DFW area. I'm really excited about the move. I'm very happy about it. So we have an unboxing video today from a special somebody. If you're in the SS world, in the community, you'll know this name. William Pate. I actually won this in one of his giveaways for his lower grills. It was actually for a 16-17, and I have a 2014, and I wanted to swap it out for a 14 since I won it, and he was super cool about it. And he was like, "Yeah, man, I'll send you a 14 grill." We went back and forth on what kind of design, and when we pull out the car, I'll show you how my lower looks like right now. I just have a stock lower, blacked out. And then I will show you the new one that we have right now. Well, let's open this box up and see what we got here. So, like I said, I am very excited about this move that I had out here in Texas. I've met a lot of all my internet homies and everything like that. It's been really fun the past couple weeks, and I just got here. And we're still in winter season here, which is crazy to me. I'm from Chicago, so we would be in -degree weather right now, and I'm in my garage with a t-shirt on, and it's like 65 degrees out. Crazy stuff. So, yeah, super stoked to get this grill. When I got the notification, I was geeking because it's it's rare to win one of these grills, So, alrighty. I know he does a really good job packaging up these grills because these are really delicate. Trying to keep all this packaging scrap in here. So, let's open this bad boy up. Alright guys, this is our first look together. I haven't seen it yet. So I went with I don't know if he has like specific names for these grills, but I went with the matching to my upper, which I will show you, which is just like these normal fins here. And it basically cuts out that whole big section right there. The main reason why I want this, not because it looks awesome, but just because I'm turbo now, if a lot of you guys don't know. So this will give all the right air straight into my intercooler, which is right where that big block is, area that I showed you on my stock grill, is basically a big restriction for my intercooler, which I've never had any bad ITs yet, but I'm pretty sure I will definitely gain some better ITs with this grill. So, awesome piece right here. We're also gonna do an install on this, so I'll show you how I do that. I'm going to move the car out right now. I'll give you guys a nice cold start video, and we'll start taking this thing apart. Alright guys, so got the car, just moved back a little bit. I'm going to switch over to my glasses when it comes to taking the actual bumper off, but I kind of wanted to show you kind of the difference. As you can see, this one's all just vented completely. It still has the sensors on here compared to the OEM one that still has this big piece right here. And majority of this piece is just restricted air going in from an intercooler. It's not restricted a lot, but you know, this will definitely help. So it matches the top literally perfectly. So yeah, so we're gonna be switching this over. I'm gonna take my bumper off. I'll switch over to the metas, and then I can show you how I take the bumper off and get all that process started. All right, guys. So as you can see here, Koza V2 kit. Just in case anyone doesn't know what the turbo kit is, I used to be LSA. It was fun. I just came up on a really good deal for this turbo, so I couldn't pass it up. So for this bumper removal, this right here is the Madman, beauty washers for the dress up kit for the whole bay. So we just had to take off these here, right? It's just 6 screwdrivers, and then number 4 Allen keys. And then I've taken this bumper off so many times, so you're supposed to have all these for the fender liner, but with these skinnies, it kind of ate up my fender liner, so I only have the one here and one here, which is going to be a Phillips as well. And then Phillips here and another Phillips here. So once I get that off real quick, we'll do a time lapse on it real quick, and then I'll get the bumper off, and then we'll go on how to remove this section to replace it with this one. So, I know you guys don't want to see me take off all these bolts, so I'm just going to put a quick time lapse. So there's going to be a little connector. There you go. For the headlights, we have the fog lights right here and all this connector. There's one connector right here. Alrighty, so like you can see, really big intercooler, and that's just going to be able to show it a little bit more, and also going to get a lot more air into that intercooler. So alright guys, so if you guys never taken your lower off or your upper, I'll show you real quick. I actually just took this whole wrap off in my garage, so I literally had all this apart, and then I won the giveaway after. So if I would have known, I would have just kept it apart, but it's not that difficult here. As you'll see, I'm gonna grab a flashlight. As you see here, you have these little tabs right here, right? So all you gotta do is just bend it while pulling this out. I believe this grill goes this way, and then unplug your sensors here, and then take the sensors off here. This one as well, and then just make sure that the harness is all nice and tucked away. You literally pull this out, swap the sensors to the new one, and push the new one in. It's really that easy. For the upper, same thing right here. You got these tabs, and then that one comes this way as well. So going to set up the phone so you guys can see me do that real quick. I'll put in a time lapse of me getting it off, and then we'll show you how it looks when I put the new one on. Alrighty guys, so lower is removed. Right here in the bottom, the harness tabs go into here. So you just gotta make sure you pry those out nicely, make sure you don't break it. But yeah, like I said, it goes here, then the new one. So just like that. Very nice piece. So I am, oh yeah. Well, that was a waste of my time, but hey, we're here for it. So just make sure evenly pushing down until you hear all those snaps. I believe I got everything in here. So I will be putting these down here. Making sure this gets all tucked. Okay. Sensors. I was just being weak. I was scared. I just gotta push a little hard. All right, guys. So I put the grill on. I have a zip tie here because that sensor was a little bit on the loose side. I didn't really feel too comfortable with it, so I just put a little bit of JB Weld on it. I don't really plan on taking this off anytime soon, so I just left it with some JB Weld. But as you can see, it looks amazing. Don't mind the H on the badge. For my going away party, I had everyone sign the whole car, and my brother put a Honda symbol on it. I'm taking that off soon, but I'm going to put this carbon radiator cover on from Madman on real quick, and then you guys can see its full potential. Alrighty, so grill is installed. Drop this real quick. Wow, that looks nice. That looks really good. No hiding that it's turbo now. With the other one, you can kind of get away with it, but can't get it with it now. Can't get away with it now. Wow, it looks awesome. Alright guys, grill is on. It looks amazing. Thank you, Will, if you're watching this. Make sure you guys join Will's giveaways for his grills, or if you want to just purchase an order, you can message him on, I think it's Twisted Grill Wrenches or Twisted Grill Wrenches. I'll put his Instagram on the description, or I'll put it on the screen right here. So if you guys want to place an order, because you guys could just order the lower, you can get upper, you can get the vents. He does so much cool stuff. It's amazing. So, but as far as my installation goes, I would give it a solid 9.5 out of 10. Just besides me, I don't know if I pushed too hard or whatever with the center, but I just put a little bit of JB Weld because it was a little loose. I didn't really feel too comfortable. So as far as that, install was super easy. I didn't see any issues with the grill. Nothing's broken. Everything is matched really well. And yeah, guys, it's really nice grill. So I'm going to be doing some more videos soon on just little stuff here and there. If you guys have any questions about the car or any video ideas you want me to do, drop them down in the comments. I'm more than happy to do whatever. I just want to start getting more into the YouTube stuff for my Chicago people back home, and then just all the SS people in general. So I don't see a lot of people doing a lot of content with these cars on YouTube. So I also have my girl's Corvette here that we do some stuff with too. So it's gonna be a fun time. So we have TX2K coming up. Drift and Drag is coming up. A lot of cool events coming up. So I will take you guys along, and thanks you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe, please.